7 reasons to use and create cash flow with the stock market. Have you ever thought about retiring and not having to worry about money anymore? Most people consider retirement as the time when they no longer have to work. However, for some, retirement may never come due to a lack of savings or their savings being too small due to inflation. Using cash flow to retire is an alternative that grows with inflation and does not require a large nest egg. Instead, it requires assets that produce regular income. When you think of cash flow, most people think of rent. If your monthly expenses were $5,000, you would need enough rental apartments to generate $5,000 a month. This would be supporting your monthly expenses instead of a large nest egg of money that took you years to save. Investing in the stock market is another way to create your cash flow, which many people overlook. Here are 7 reasons why you should use the stock market to create your cash flow. Reason 1, you can start small. One of the most attractive aspects of stock market investing is that it allows anyone to start small and scale up when ready. Starting a business or becoming a real estate investor are also great ways to have cash flow. However, they usually require a large amount of money to get started and also require investing a large amount of time before receiving returns. With stocks, you have very little overhead and can start with very little money. Then you can scale it up as you grow. Reason 2, flexible. Investing in stocks allow you to get started while working a regular job and learning to invest by practicing in your spare time. You can have a style of stock investing that allows you to get up early and put in a bit of time before you head out to work. Others prefer doing it after they get home in the evening. Since you don't have to interact with people as you do with a business or real estate, it's easy to fit it into your own schedule. Reason number 3, no people skills required. With other types of business and investing, some people get nervous because they don't have the sales skills necessary to succeed. You don't need that as a stock market investor. Anyone with average intelligence and a desire to learn can gain the right skills and strategies used by successful investors. Reason 4, liquidity. The liquidity of the stock market means that there are always buyers and sellers ready to act. You only need to learn how to set up your investments to benefit, no matter if the market moves up, down, or sideways like top investors you hear about in the news all the time. Reason number 5, leverage. To gain leverage in business or real estate, an investor needs to take on debt. This isn't a bad thing, but it can sometimes limit your ability to play in those arenas. In the stock market, you can have tremendous leverage through the use of option contracts. These type of option contracts allow you to control large amounts of stock positions for pennies on the dollar. It can be a huge advantage for the educated investor who knows how to safely use options for steady cash flow. Reason number 6, agility. If the real estate market plunges or the economy goes into recession, there is instantly a lack of buyers, and your cash flow can dry up instantly. With stocks, however, there is always an opportunity. No matter if the market plunges like it has recently, or if it spikes higher or even goes in a boring sideways direction. That's what I mean by agility, the ability to profit in any situation you face. Reason number 7, free practice. One of the best aspects of stock investing is that you can learn how to do it without risking a single penny in a bad trade. Virtually all brokerage firms offer anyone a free account to sign up and learn to trade. It works. Thanks to Andy Tanner for laying out these 7 reasons why the stock market is a great place to generate cash flow. Now remember, what we went over today are a general strategy and require proper education and guidance to be used effectively. If you'd like to learn more in detail, visit Andy Tanner's training available in the description below.